Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. Today is February 3rd, Saturday morning, 6 a.m. Just woke up, finished my prayers, and now I am making this video about US dollar index. So let's get started. This is the chart I made. This is a weekly chart made on January 28, 2023, last year, the beginning of the year, right? So let's take it from track this thing from there. I'm gonna skip a lot of charts in between, right? Because the video is gonna be big then. So a few charts I'll show to the point. So from here, we're supposed to be going for 1753 for wave 2 or B, right? So you can see that after a little while, here in October, we were there. In between, we went there, up, down, and I was tracking every single move all along. So from here, we got to the target, and then I said the next target is to the downside, 1026, and then 0698, right? And dropping from there, we'll do this. So I had a lot of trades just like that. It's, for these four pairs will go up, and these three pairs will go down when USD is weakening, right? So that happened, and I have so many trades and doing that. And look what happened to this chart. It came down exactly all the way here. So I made this chart saying that, okay, this is right now at the TL and at 50%, but 60% was down here. Oh, sorry, this fib is here, it says 78%. There's a touch of 78%, but 0698 is just below that. And it's a very, very important. So that's why my mark is there that it might drop to this number first and then bounce from 0698 and then go back to 1390. So what happened to this chart is this. So far, what happened exactly the same thing happened. It not only poked into 0698, but came down all the way to 0605, this one. See that? It touched that and then it started bouncing. And yesterday, Friday, February 2nd, we closed the market here. Now, this Friday, yesterday, was NFP. So it was already there. It hit this number here, 1247, and then tried to drop, right? And then what happened? It hit 1026 and or 1099, something like that. I think it's 1026. Let me see if I can see the exact low here. This candle low is 1036. So 10 pip shot, right? 1036. And then NFP will NFP took it to the upside again. Now, just before NFP yesterday, I made another chart and posted everywhere. And let me show you that. This is the chart I made on my 40-minute Renko brick Renko candle chart, right? So this is a channel, it's in here, and if you pull the fifth from here to here, it is 61%. It's right there, just below that, 1026, and it was sitting here with the channel TL hit, and this high was there, right? So I said I made the chart that's going to go up from here. If let me show you something that I posted on this chart on the Forex Factory, my thread, and see what I said here that US dollar index before NFP, if news comes out better than expected, that would be in my favor, and this USD will go up. And if it's gonna go up, what it will do basically, it's gonna do that Euro USD, Pound USD, Aus USD, USD down, USD CAD, USD Yen, and USD Franc will go up. That is what's gonna happen if this thing is gonna go up. Look what happened to this chart. Is this. This is how we close on Friday. So exactly from there, it went up, came down a little bit, and then again. And this is what happened, NFP, up, down, and then it catches the direction. So it caught the direction, and then it went up to all the way to 1247, poke into it. Right? And then we close Friday just like that. So what's supposed to be happening is this. These four pairs will go down. These three pairs will go up. Let's go take a look if that same thing happened. I have opened all these charts, 30-minute chart, just to show you that that's what happened. 7 USD pairs starting from Euro USD. This is what it is. This is the candle, 30 minutes. Actually, it is 8 o'clock candle. and NFP is 830. So this 30-minute chart, right? So this candle closes at 830 and new candle started and boom, that's what happened. Euro USD down, exactly the same time, pound USD down, Aussie USD same time down, NUS USD same time down. Now USD CAD, USD yen and USD franc supposed to be going up. Watch. USD CAD same time exactly 830 up, right at the NFP 830 up, USD yen and USD franc did the same thing. This is the beauty about index. If you watch the index, you have all of these trades in your hand. You can choose, you can trade all of them, or you can choose few. It's like a multiple choice. Or me, I do not open the trade blindly. I have to have a system setup, right? The entry setup. I have entry setup, 4 conditions, 5 conditions. If they are met, all of them, then. So I have made a robot, EA, expert advisor robot, that opens the trade for me and plays the SL, 25 pip hard SL, whenever it opens. And then when the price moves 25, 30 pip in my favor, it comes and sit on a break even. SL move to break even automatically, right? So when you have a situation like this, it's very hard to watch all the pairs, what is happening where, and what USD is doing, what USD CAD is doing, what USD. So what I do is I place my EA and then forget about it. So if the setup is there, it's gonna catch it, right? So only, unfortunately or fortunately, whatever. So I caught only 2 of those trade. Let me show it to you. This is one of them, USD CAD. See that beautiful, this yellow, red arrow here? That's the EA opening this trade on a 7-minute chart and for 190 pip. This alone, this only one trade is enough, right, for the day. But I also had that, where the heck it go? Oops. Aussie USD to the downside, right? So that's only 60 pip because Aussie was not supporting, right? So USD got it stronger and it came down here. This is also opened by the EA. Little late, but yes. When the price move fast, yeah, that's what happened. Right, so these 2 I caught, and that's 190 and 60. That's 250 pip. Just 2 trades because of this, and all the USD pair moved. Right, I just showed you. But like I said, that I posted that chart on not only there, I posted on the Telegram as well for my subscriber, February 2nd. You can see here. And I said NFP in 13 minutes, watch 1026. And I have written here, must stay above 1026. If you see this chart, that's what it says. But the question is where the heck that chart is now. Okay, here. All right, so must stay above 1026. And right after, from there, it started to go to the outside. Now, the problem is that NFP usually sets the tone for the rest of the month. Now, NFP numbers came out very, very strong, right? So even though we got stopped here at 1246, I don't think this is the end of the move. When the new week will start, I think we're going to be going up to 1301 and then 1390 and maybe even for the TL. Here, the weekly chart, the current, oops, this is yen. Where the heck? Oh, sorry. Hold on. Let me just move this. So USD index is this. So this is 1301 is right there. Then you have 1390. And then you have 1426, 1423. And then the TL will be coming here exactly at 78% FIB from the top here, the drop. And then or maybe we will get stopped at here 61% and 1390 and then drop. My ultimate target is to the downside actually here, 0219 and 9872. But once we finish the upside, which is we are going to have because of the NFP, and then we will reverse and then go down. But that's later, right? So first thing first, and that is what is happening now in the on the weekly chart, and wave by wave, swing by swing, we have to go, right? If you say, oh, you're supposed to come down here and start shorting, and what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 week, it's just keep going to the upside, and everything is just going upside down, right? So in this scenario now, these 4 pairs are going down, these 3 pairs going up, and I have charts made, weekly charts and trade setups, and almost all of them, almost all of them. Uh, and some of these charts I posted on my. By the way, if you like what you saw and you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system and learn how to do it, and then you can go on my website here. I have subscription, monthly, 6 month, yearly, lifetime. And if you need to learn every single thing all about forex trading, this system, and how to trade, all of that, and how do I do my analysis, right? Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, all of that. For example, Elliott wave example I'll give you. If you know, I've been tracking this all along, and exactly, perfectly, right? But the last last move on this one, that's the 29 January, you can see this oil, right? So this is like wave 1, 2, 3, ABC 4. I predicted all of these moves up and down. Then I said, well, we're going to be dropping for wave 5, right? So this is what happened to this chart so far as of yesterday, Friday. And based on that, I already had this trade oil. See that? Beautiful entry. So Elliott wave helps, harmonic pattern helps, right? So if you know the direction, that this direction is this thing is going in that direction, then simple, you wait for the setup. And I have this EA that, I just place on that. And in this case, I do short only and leave it there. And when the trade, the setup is there, it opens the trade for me. See that red mark here? That's where the trade, opened up. And boom, it went down from 74.21 to 72.37. Right. So that's what happened. So like I said, that on this website, you can go, and here, let me show you some more before and after setups. For example, this euro yen, right? February 1st, I said it's going to go up. Look what happened. Boom. So many. It's almost like 150, 200 pip up move, right? Similarly, this is pound yen February 1st. I made this chart. It's going to go up from 78 to 38. Look what happened from 78 to 38. That's another thing that you need to know, how to fix your fib tool and how to use it properly. It gives you so many solid trades all along. Every time you will find, some setup is ready to trade. If you scan the market according to the proper fib use, you will find something. This one was my USD US dollar index, and this is what happened to that. And this is before, and I have some more that I have to post here. Yen index, by the way, I have a bad pattern completed on that yen index, and it went exactly the way I said it's gonna go. Bad pattern, yen index 40-minute chart. That was 20-minute chart. Let me just quickly show you here, right here. You see, this is the chart I made, the yen 20-minute index on February 1st. That is going to go up from here to 23% line, right? And it's before chart. So my son made it, and I forgot to write down here that all yen pair will go up with that. So that's exactly what happened. So this thing, what happened to this thing? Boom. On the 2nd, Friday. It went up. And because of that, all yen pair went up, right? And I caught a couple of them. For example, I'll show you, for example, look at this. USD yen you already saw, and this is pound yen on the 2nd for 55 pip. Euro yen on February 2nd on Friday, 75 pip. Why? Because yen was going to the upside. And USD yen have 190 pip trade because both forces were applying on that pair. Yen was getting weaker, USD was getting strong. That's why just the imbalance was huge. And 190 pip, I end up with that. 75 here. This is only yesterday. I had on Friday, I probably like 6 trades, and just like these. This one. Let me see if I have another one. No, this is the first. This gold this is the 1st February, Thursday. But see this 75 pip, 55 pip. This is 55 Aussie pound Aussie. Then this is USD 190. This is oil down there from 74 to 72. Here 60 pip Aussie USD, all yesterday, Friday. Right. By the way, I end up this week very, very good. And last week was bad, 6, 7 trades only. And then look, how many trades I have. Oops, no, sorry. This is not, this is from starting from here, gold, oil, this, that, S&P 500, US 30, all of that. 22 trades, no, not even 22. Yeah, 22 trades. Actually, this one is missing from here. Not 22. Aussie USD is missing. Let me do it again. Where the heck Aussie USD? I erased it. Okay, I don't know. I had a couple of more trades here. Okay, so after pound Aussie, I had oil and gold trade is missing. Why? How? Oh, maybe it's why I have this thing open. That's why. Hold on just a minute. Okay, maybe I'll open it again, then it will show them. Yeah, see, the 25 trades altogether. 25, this is 24 oil, and this is 25 trades. 25 trades a lot, and all of the big one, right? For example, this for gold trades. See this from 2039 to 2047. But anyway, so yeah, so if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get it, learn it, go on my website and sign up here. Either subscribe, or if you know a little bit about forex, and if you need to learn about the whole business, then I'll teach every single thing with forex and trading. Not only forex, you can trade with this system, with my analysis, and then my entry system. You can trade anything, and you saw my trades in gold, in oil, in commodity, S&P 500, Nasdaq, all of that. Here's S&P 500. See that beautiful trade? This is gold. This is let me see. What the heck? Oh, okay. You see, this is Nasdaq. Boom, coming up from this to this. So this system is good for every single thing, a commodity, metal, oil, or whatever. All right. So just wanted to share with you guys, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get these setups on time, so you can take advantage of that. Sometimes, and hopefully I will at the end of Sunday. I will make a video and give out a couple of very, very nice setup for upcoming. And by the way, USD, myself, let me just go over the USD. So this is what it is, and this is what I think is that because of the numbers came out so strong and positive, right? The pressure is still or going to be to the upside, and then we will definitely will break above 1247, and then 1301 and 1390, and maybe all the way to the TIA. And then later on, maybe it will drop from there, right? So this is what it is. The way I see it, that this is like wave A, and then this is A, and then this A, B, C, B, and this is C, and wave 2. So this is wave 1, wave 2, or this is A, and this whole thing is B. If that's the case, we need wave C to the downside, and out of that, we will have this wave 1, and this is wave 2 finishing, followed by wave 3, 4, 5. That's what I think, but it all depends on where we make the turn from here. Then how my count will be fine, right? But even if it doesn't, that if you see that this is wave 1, and then we are going for wave 2 or B to the upside around 61% or 78%, and then it usually makes the turn from there, right? After everything like this one, then you have a turn this, and then you have a turn this, and then you have a turn here. Then definitely we're gonna make the turn. And then even if we have to go to the upside, then we make the turn, go down here maybe a little bit, and then go to the upside, right? So we catch every turning point, and that's the name of the game. All right. So just wanted to share with you guys. So I'll subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you need to learn this thing, the trading business and everything, and the way I trade here, I showed you how many trades. I'll make another separate video showing all my trades, 25 trades last week, step by step, one by one. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.